MSSPs are only getting 8, 9, 10% margin. I'm thinking there's something wrong here. There's like a misfire, there's a miscommunication, something is going on to cause this, because this is not right. This is not in any way indicative of the managed services profession. And so I came up with a list. I wrote it down. I'm going to relay my list and my thoughts to you here. Number one is go find out for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. Google this, search engine it, AI engine it, whatever we call it. Do AI engine something today? I don't know. Anyway, use whatever information portal you choose, but look into MSSP profitability. And I am sure you will find plenty of search results. And I think that most of them, or at least a handful of them, will reference low margins.